Speaking at the India Alliance rally held at Ram Lila Maidan in New Delhi yesterday, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge delivered a fiery speech urging the public to make a choice between democracy and dictatorship. Kharge asserted you have to decide if you want democracy or dictatorship. Those who support dictatorship need to be kicked out of the country. In a scathing critique of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha RSS, Kharge likened them to poison, stating, BJP and RSS are like poison. You will die even if you taste poison. Kharge remarked the political tensions and ideological divisions prevailing in the country. As the India Alliance rally gathers momentum, Kharge's impassioned address underscores opposition's determinations to challenge the ruling establishment and advocate for democratic principles. The rally is attended by a diverse crowd and prominent opposition leaders.